Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here. And today we have another awesome unboxing for you guys. Today we have a new release here from 3D Design Deck. Purchased from Wildcat Diecast. I've had these ordered for probably about 2 to 3 months now. They have finally arrived. These are handmade, also numbered, hand numbered too, and handmade of course. So these will be my second purchase of the 3D Design Deck airplanes here. Super excited to get these things out, guys. Let's take a look. All right, guys, we have the 3D Design Deck airplanes out here. Number 12, 26, 7, and 31 here. Glad I got a nice low number there. These are handmade, like I said, in Canada. I do appreciate all the Canadian airplanes they make, too. Of course, they're from Canada. But I am really excited for them to be making even more nostalgic United States-based carriers, too. So, it's super exciting. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed. All right, guys, you already know. Let's get the fleet out here. Wow, guys. Look at that. Literally handmade, guys. Handmade. Look at the quality of this. I mean, I'm not crazy to say this, guys, but, like, this may be just as good, if not better, than Gemini Jet's quality. Like, look at the details on this thing. I'm just saying. Gemini Jet just does do a good job, though. And obviously, these are both very delicate models. So, obviously, you want to be careful with every aspect and detail here. Look at that, guys. Wow. 3D Design Deck, great job. I am super impressed. I am going to be putting these on my Minneapolis layout. I will also be showing them on a Detroit layout in the future too, guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to be doing a full-on Detroit airport too, guys. I already have the layout for it, but I need to get a terminal for it, so. Super cool work, though. Guys, go check them out. Shout out to Wildcat Diecast for having these in stock. I jumped on it right away when these came out because I did not want these to sell out. I was not missing the chance. So, super cool, guys. All right, guys, and here they are all together here. Absolutely amazing work here on them. So much details here, as you guys can see. Try to get this to focus. There it goes. Wow, guys. Absolutely stunning here. I'd like to thank you guys again for joining me today. Model Airport Nation here. Shout out to 3D Design Deck here, guys. Wildcat Diecast as well. Link it below here, guys, for the video here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Wish you guys happy collecting.